5 natural remedies to treat intestinal parasites. Number 1. Berberine, a substance found in a wide range of plants, including barberry, for instance. European barberry, Berberis vulgaris. It has been shown to combat intestinal parasites during several preliminary studies. In a paper that was published in the Iranian Journal of Parasitology in 2014, for instance, the extract of barberry showed potential to help prevent the spread of tapeworm. In addition to barberry, berberine can be present in other herbs, including coptes and golden seal. Number 2. Papaya seeds. In a pilot study which was reported within the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2007, 60 children suffering from intestinal parasites received a single dose or an elixir made up of an elixir made of papaya seeds together with honey or honey by itself. Within 7 days, the significantly larger percentage of the children who received the elixir containing papaya seeds had their stools free of parasites. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. One natural remedy that has shown potential is the pumpkin seed, discovered to be rich in amino acids, fatty acids, the compounds berberine, cucurbitine, and palatine. The research on the potential use of pumpkin seeds in the treatment of intestinal parasites has led to the results of a preliminary study which was reported in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in the year 2016. Pumpkin seeds extracts were shown to have anti-parasitic effects. Number 4. Wormwood. Wormwood could help in treating intestinal parasites by killing the type of helminth called Heterobranchus longiphilis. This is according to an initial report published by Parasitology Research in the year 2010. The herb is a source of compounds called sesquiterpene lactones. These are believed to reduce the strength of parasite membranes. Number 5. Diet. Practitioners of natural medicine may suggest certain diet-related strategies for treating intestinal parasites in order to maximize stomach acid that protects against parasites that are transmitted through food. Strategies include: temporarily avoid coffee and alcohol, refined sugar, or refined cereals. Include the addition of garlic to your meal. Increase your consumption of sweet potatoes, carrots, as well as squash, as well as other foods rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A that can improve the resistance to helminth's penetration. Rebuilding beneficial bacteria in your gut through eating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt. Foods that are rich in vitamin C and B vitamins. Avoid eating raw fish or meat. Certain healthcare professionals also recommend cleansing or detoxing your intestinal tract, which includes combining a high-fiber diet with supplements that are believed to assist your body to eliminate intestinal parasites.